no. We're stalled now, see? Before, when all that wasn't water, I walked over to that island over there. And, oh, it's an oasis in there. We're going to sit here for a minute. Maybe we got lucky and see something. I'm with my son on his golf cart. Yeah, with my grandson, too. Can you say hi, Bigfoot?
Hi, Bigfoot.
So you going to go with Grammy and get Bigfoot? Yeah, I'm going to teach him, too. Like the other two boys. Two boys. Trying to teach my son how to do the whistle.
Yeah.
Not as easy as it looks. But listen, something...
I've done it years ago. I've known this for years. How about you're trying to teach me?
Listen. But listen to that. Do you hear it? Listen.
Hey, listen to what?
Listen.
I'm listening.
Okay. Now it stopped. It was going...
Because there wasn't nothing. What?
It was going... Ooh, ooh, ooh.
No. You're crazy.
You just had it.
I know. That's what I'm saying. So you can't do it every time.
Which one? Oh, yeah, little arch right there. Tell him it's a sign, Daddy.
That's sign, Daddy.
This is a little
Tell him.
It's not a big foot.
That's sign.
Yeah, that's a little foot. You're right. That's where the babies go. See that? Look at that. It's perfect. Fine there, Keith. It's all tied down. See? Well, you should go out with your mother more often. Yeah, look. Stop it. No, that's natural. That's not natural. No. Huh. Look, this is bear. Because you can tell the way that is. That is bear did that. But that one up there is snapped off. Yeah, and let's go see how high it's snapped off. Let's go look. Yeah, he loves the woods. He loves the woods. See that? Right there. About 5 foot. Is it 5 foot, buddy?
5 foot.
Is it 5 foot?
It's 5 foot.
Yeah, it's 5 foot. See that?
I see 5 foot.
See that? There's a little nest-looking thing over there.
5 foot.
5 foot. Say Bigfoot, Daddy.